she's not sure she's okay when she makes that face. Can you zoom on your David at all?
The area has been scanned.
Track the human. We didn't recognize him. How intriguing. We'll set an alert through the appropriate.
Nobody's paying attention to me, she says.
And Pam.
Is that hi, Grandma?
Of course not.
That's pretty forceful.
Long Shadow kept the coffin in.
Come on.
You like to feed before resting, said my.
Tell me more.
You're welcome. And for slaving to the left. I'm sure that's the way you can repay me.
Really?
No, that's some ice on her.
She sure does.
That's delicious, Claude. She's a little legit.
Oh my goodness! Holy cow!
Oh, I'm having a few. Sit. Carl, make it for guys.
Really?
Okay, I'm over breakfast on this kind.
What do you think about the real estate taxes going up in our neighborhood? Oh my gosh, really? Really? Do you want Daddy to... Oh, okay. Okay, do you want Daddy to buy you a new house? You want him to buy a new house? Oh, really? Do you want some ice cream? Zoe, do you want some ice cream?
I don't know that. If I had to guess, I'd say jealousy.
Toot toot.
Yeah, but we're better friends than we are work. We can go. We both know that.
Toot toot. Okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye, Grandma.
Evaluate yourself.
Bye, Grandma.
You. I lost you. Who are you?
Okay, bye. Love you.
And hopefully
Bye.
that's part of making that happen.
Love you.
Sam seems like a
Bye-bye, love you.
wonderful guy.
Oh, my grandmas, we love you.
All my instincts straight.